In this tutorial, we are going to talk about viewing your 3D model on a mobile or a tablet device using the SimLab VR Viewer. Once you initiate the application, set the viewing mode to 3D, then select the model you wish to view. If it is an architectural model, the navigation mode will automatically be set to architectural navigation. To walk around in the scene, drag your finger in the bottom left corner towards the direction you wish to walk to. To rotate the view, use the circular controller at the bottom right corner. You can use both fingers at the same time and have full control over the navigation with ease. Hold your finger anywhere in the screen to highlight interactive objects. To trigger these objects, simply tap them. Tap the menu icon at the top left corner. In the Quick Access menu, you switch the style of scene navigation. The flying mode is similar to the walking mode in terms of control, and the only difference is that you won't be constrained by gravity and are able to elevate above ground, which is suitable for viewing exterior designs. The mechanical mode centers the model in 3D space and allows you to examine it externally, which is suitable for viewing mechanical designs as well as products and furniture. To rotate the model, drag your finger on the screen. To zoom in and out, pinch and expand 2 fingers on the screen. You can also double tap an object to focus the view on it, making it the center of the view's rotation. An additional option accessible from the menu is displaying lists. Once you toggle the Lists option, any objects in the scene that have lists connected to them will be highlighted. Tap the highlighted object to view the list pins. Then tap on any of the available options to view them. To hide the pins along with the options list, tap the corresponding toggle from the menu, then tap on the object. You can access a usability guide from the Help option in the Quick Access menu. SimLab VR Viewer allows you to showcase 3D models in several modes, each designed to suit the type of model you are viewing. It is easy to use and furthermore allows you to interact with the model, making it an essential tool for any designer seeking a unique 3D experience.